Stop doing this if you want back pain relief. If you're suffering from back pain and haven't found consistent relief, it might not be about what you are doing but what you should stop doing. Many people unintentionally sabotage their own recovery by maintaining habits that worsen their condition. If you're serious about getting relief, it's time to identify and eliminate these damaging behaviors. Stop sitting for long periods without moving. One of the most common contributors to back pain is prolonged sitting. Whether it's at a desk, on the couch, or in a car, sitting for hours tightens your hip flexors, weakens your core, and puts excessive pressure on your lower back. Even if you use a fancy ergonomic chair, staying in the same position too long is harmful. Set a timer to stand, stretch, or walk for at least a couple of minutes every 30 to 60 minutes. Stop ignoring your posture. Poor posture is a silent back killer. Slouching while sitting or standing puts strain on your spine and surrounding muscles. Many people develop a hunch or forward head posture, especially when looking at phones or computers for long periods. Over time, this creates muscular imbalances that aggravate back pain. Practicing good posture, shoulders back, ears aligned with your shoulders, and feet flat on the floor can make a massive difference. Stop skipping core strengthening. A weak core is a direct contributor to back pain. Your abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles work together to support your spine. If your core is weak, other muscles overcompensate, leading to strain and discomfort. Stop relying solely on rest or painkillers. Incorporate exercises like planks, bridges, or bird dogs to build a stable core that supports your back. Stop sleeping in bad positions. The way you sleep could be keeping you in pain. Sleeping on your stomach forces your neck and spine into awkward angles that stress your back. If you're serious about relief, stop sleeping in positions that don't support spinal alignment. Instead, try sleeping on your back with a pillow under your knees or on your side with a pillow between your legs to reduce pressure on your spine. Stop over-relying on quick fixes. It's tempting to rely on painkillers, massages, or even chiropractic adjustments for temporary relief, but if you're not addressing the root cause, the pain will return. Stop chasing only short-term fixes and start focusing on long-term solutions like strengthening muscles, improving mobility, and correcting lifestyle habits. Final thoughts. Back pain relief is possible, but only if you stop the behaviors that are feeding the problem. That means reducing sedentary time, correcting posture, strengthening your core, sleeping properly, and avoiding quick fix mentalities. Healing your back isn't just about doing the right things, it's also about not doing the wrong ones. Awareness is the first step to recovery. Change your habits, and your back will thank you.